Hey, what's good with you guys? How y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing okay. And I'm here to do another. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Oh yeah, I'm here to do a mukbang with some leftovers. I'm trying to figure. You know what? I should have researched this whole mukbang stuff. I forgot, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. I don't even have it on the table right now in front of me. I'm sorry, guys. This is just the outtakes. It happens. So, let me go ahead and get ourselves together. Okay. Okie dokie. Aha, I figured something out. Where the camera don't have to fall down, boy. Yeah. Alright. This is dope, man. I love the design. My fiance did it. I want something that's kind of tribal on this side, something kind of squarish. This side is kind of organic. You can see it's kind of like veiny. It looked like vines. On this side, it'd be dope to have like something that looks kind of squarish. I'm looking for that tribal look or something of that nature. But this looks cool. Alright. Well, I'm gonna be doing my mukbang, and give me 1 minute. I gotta warm this thing up, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all Lucha fans. I'm a wrestling fan. Still am. Although wrestling still has its times where I'm a little older. I kind of see that it's all storied out. But at the same time, I kind of like it still. I love the stories. My favorite wrestler was Brock Lesnar. He's one. My other favorite wrestler, Rey Mysterio. This is where this comes in. My other favorite wrestler, I can't remember his name, but I remember the team. They call themselves the Lucha Dragons. Man, those guys are dope. What? Something I wanted to be when I was a kid. I wanted to be just like Rey Mysterio. Put on a secret identity and just fly, baby. Ah! Yeah. So, haven't done my mukbang just yet. Warming it up right now. That's the bell. That's the bell. That is the bell. This looks good. Alright, man. So, I have no idea how this whole mukbang thing started for this video. I would just say this was just the outtakes. But, I guess we'll go ahead and start it right now. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Mapache, and I'm here to save the day. Mukbang style, baby. This thing almost hit my nose. It could have went up my nose. We're starting right here at 6 minutes on the spot. So, like we always do, I'm not used to this, but because I'm with my fiance, something taught me in life that says, you're not the only one who lives in this house. There's somebody else who's in here too. And you have to consider the other person as well. You gotta kinda, what's the other C word? When you think of something that's not even there. What is the other C word? Can't remember. Dear wrestling fans, wrestling God, I don't want to disrespect you guys. Dear God, thank you for food. Thank you for my fiance making this food. It is incredibly delicious, and I pray that you keep in this crazy world that we live in. You keep us blessed. Bless our community, bless our families, and bless our even our own bodies, our mental states, to be positive, to be happy and loving. Keep us geared toward you, God. Amen. Alright, dudes. Here we go. So, this is the mukbang. This could be hot. Could be. I don't know if y'all can see this. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if this is hot, y'all, but man, this is just the leftovers I had. I didn't finish it. That's the AC that just went off, so I didn't get to finish it. Like I said, I can't really. Sometimes I don't really eat that heavy. Sometimes when I'm really hungry, I guess I find myself eating heavy. But and y'all, you know, I've been watching some wrestling. And it's got me kind of interested in where the dynamic of the stories are gonna go. You got Roman Reigns. He's taking over that that role of being the bad guy. And then recently, Brock Lesnar's gonna want to just come right on in and say, I want that championship title. You know? Man, she makes some good macaroni. You know, the other day she told me, she's like, so, how did you like my cooking? Do you like it? No. She was like, "What did you think of my cooking?" And I said, "It's beautiful. It's just straight up good." It's like the equivalent of Thanksgiving. It's the most beautifulest thing I've ever seen. It's a work of art. Shakespearean. Mashed potatoes look a little cold, but that's because I didn't warm it up all the way. I left it in the fridge. It's leftovers. Still good though. Yeah, y'all. I wonder what you guys like to eat for y'all's mukbangs. This puts the guns on the gun right now, boy. Oh boy. I don't know why my nose is stuffy. Nose is stuffy. Yeah, man. Been wanting to go to a gym, but I haven't lately. I'll get there. I'll get there. I don't know why, man. Potatoes kind of fill me up. I'm wondering if I'm gonna make it. Dang, dude. It's almost 13 minutes already. Glad you're sticking around. You saw that flex? Yeah, it's probably no flex at all. It don't matter. Cause I'm here to save the day. I can't do it, y'all. Hold on. I can't do it. I got none of that. I got none of that, boy. Got none of that. Chill out, man. Chill out. Chill that out. My nose, boy. My nose. Gotta get to that chicken next. Got to get to that chicken. I'm gonna try it, y'all. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if I can make it. You know I love you. Man, that is the jam. I don't know why I love me some. What are they called? I think the Temptations. Shoot, dude. What? What? Boy, those were the roots of this whole thing. But where our music came from. Who was it? Elvis Presley? Rock and roll. B.B. King. A little bit of blues, but rock and roll. What? Those are the grassroots of music, man. Sugar pie, honey bun, sugar pie, you know I love ya. I'm a slow eater. I apologize. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. But come on, let's get up in this chicken. Let's get up in this chicken, man. Come on. I can find the stomach for it right now. If you could tell, I have already went through this chicken because I had it earlier, a few days ago, and now I'm going back in it again. Try not to waste food, y'all. Alright, here we go. Oh man, that look good, son. That look good. See, this is what gets your chest muscles flexing. See, watch. A few bites of this, my thing's gonna be going like. It's not. Don't matter. I still saved the day. Still saved the day. What? Nothing more better than a woman's cooking. You know, I gotta get on this cooking thing. I'm not good at it. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of it. When I grew up just eating. So I didn't really pay any attention to cooking it. Yeah, that was the downside of it all. But I gotta try and be a supporter, because one day fiance is gonna be down and out and she's gonna be like, I can't cook right now. And that's where I come in. I know how to cook. I've been taking some notes. I know how to make salmon. Salmon's the joint, boy. The joint. But yeah, not a big fan of cooking, but I'm doing it anyway. I do it because, not because I like it. Maybe sometimes I do it. No, honestly, I don't like cooking. No, just straight up, I just don't like cooking. I do it because I just want to be a team player. That's all. It's just that. One day she won't be able to cook for some sort of reason. That's where I step in. Man, I've seen some crazy mukbangs. I watch some here and there. Not all the time I watch it, but I watch some here and there. They do some crazy tail things. Eating a live octopus? I've had octopus. I had me a big juicy octopus. But a live one? What? Boy, I'd be... There's no telling what I would be doing. No telling. I'ma tell on you. No telling. I'ma tell on you. I'm stomaching it. I'm stomaching it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Some parts of the chicken I don't like. I'm not a big fan of. That's true. I can go through some baked chicken as well. It's fried chicken. Fried chicken is the hard part. But baked chicken, I think I could go through this pretty okay. One thing on my bucket list I gotta try is, what do they call those things? Deep fried chicken? Deep frying chicken? It's like you put it, I don't know what they do. They put the chicken in the pot. Next thing you know, there's a huge fire. I gotta try that out. That has to be something that I gotta do in my lifetime. Burn a chicken up. Put it on fire. Excuse me. I have food in my mouth. I didn't want to do that to you guys. Dude, I'm almost there. Oh. It is almost Halloween. It just felt like yesterday was the 1st of January. Already. Holy smokes. Jeez, man. This year done past. Yup, yup. Man, this thing is kind of jerky. Tastes like a beef jerky. I wonder what some mukbangers do. Imagine having a mukbanger just constantly staring at you. You know what I mean? Like, oh yeah, the camera's right there. Baked chicken. You know what I mean? Like, is that weird? I feel like that would be weird if I watched this afterward. Nope, can't even look at the food. Looking down. It's so weird. Playing with my food here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, y'all. Well, I'm almost done with this. You can do it, my pacha. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Dang, son, this video is at 25 minutes. Jeez. I hope, man, if y'all, I'm glad you guys are still here. I hope, I've been fulfilling something for you guys when it comes to mukbang. I have to do my research. What is a mukbang? What is the purpose of a mukbang? I've seen it. I'm just new to it. Trying it out. I'm doing it in front of the camera. Sorry. My bee. Oh, my bee. Sorry. So, this chicken looks okay. It looks done. I know my fiance would come in here and she would be like, you need to get more chicken off that bone. And I would be like, kind of like how a kid don't want to do dishes. Because there's certain parts that I'm not a big fan of. What is it? Kind of like this part where all the red is at. I think I consider this thing done. Ugh. I got enough guns ready now to lift the container. Ugh. I look like I'm in pain when I did that. It was meant to be something else. Like, maybe that worked out. Okay, gosh. I can't believe I made it this far. Oh my gosh. OMG. Well now. Well. That scared the heck out of me. Man, shoot. You can probably see this camera on slow-mo, and you can see it at like 1/10 of a second or 1/100th of a second. I had this tissue in a paper towel in my mouth. I was trying to wipe my nose, and next thing you know, I'm like, that's her. She's changing up the dark vent. So like when, I think she probably either closed it or opened it. Either way, that kind of spooked me a little bit. I can't believe I'm here for 30 minutes now, y'all. Thank you for being a support if you made it this far. If you made it this far. I'm almost done. Almost done. Oh man, I had to lift something heavy up today, boy. I had to lift me up some water jugs. Oh. I'm probably gonna feel that tomorrow. But what do? We stretch. That's why. That's how we win. We me stretch. Ah. Y'all, it's been 30 minutes and I'm on my last bite. For the last bite. Here we are. Let's have a victory lap. A victorious moment for even making it this far. I thought I wasn't gonna finish this. I honestly can tell you, this thing was huge as a mug. Just like that. That just happened. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie to you. But normally when people eat a lot of food, it's like their whole perception just goes, starts slowing down. And I felt a little bit. I finished the plate. And the next thing you know, I'm like, right? What is this, some sort of kryptonite or something? I can't fall for that. Get up. Get up, my pacha. You know what I mean? Can't fall for that. That's kryptonite right there. That's some kryptonite stuff, man. I'm not falling for that. What time is it? Probably late as a morning. I stay up late, guys. It is 2:03. 2:03 in the morning. Usually I don't get up till like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Last night, I was up. At 6 o'clock in the morning. Because that's what I do. I stay up. I'm a night owl. No, I don't think I'm a night owl. Maybe, I don't know. I'm a type of person who always finds himself occupied. And when, oh my gosh. Yeah. And you know, when I'm occupied and I'm like just watching some TV or whatever, man, I'll be up till like 6 in the morning. In the morning, y'all. But other than that, once it's 6, I gotta sleep. I know I gotta sleep. I think I have a family history of heart problems. I don't want anything else happening, so, you know, I still gotta get my sleep in. I get my workout in as well. But, thank you guys for being a great sport. You guys have been great sticking around for 33 minutes, 25 seconds. I appreciate it, guys. I really do. And I hope, you know, you guys have a great weekend, and make sure you stay happy, stay positive, loving, and, you know, we gotta try to change this world for the better good with some more smiles on. I don't really smile that much. I gotta smile more often. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Go up to somebody and go like, oh my gosh, what are you thinking, boy? You know what I mean? But other than that, I'm gonna leave it here at this note. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Be safe. And once again, Mapache has done it again. He saved the day. Alright, y'all. Here's a camera cut. I'm breathing again. Just did my mukbang. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I gotta get me some something to drink. It's probably gonna make me stay up a little more. Okay, y'all. I'll be back with some more action-packed videos. Alright, bad boy. Alright, bad boy. I'll see y'all later.
See you later.